Most modern cars nowadays come with standard stereo systems, especially compared to older vehicles. But maybe you want better audio from your car without spending a grip straight from the factory. In this video, we're talking about breaking down the 7 best audio speakers on the market this year, based on price, performance, durability, and so much more. We took a look at products in all cost ranges, so whether you want the best for excellent value or the ultimate best, we had the best one for you. As always, all the links to buy the products discussed in this video are down below, so check it out and be sure to not miss a thing. Starting this list with the Rockford Fosgate R165X3. It's a 6.5-inch 3-way full-range speaker rated at 45 watts RMS for a new generation of factory replacement speakers. The kit includes 2 speaker grills, integrated high-pass crossovers, and mounting hardware. It offers Fosgate sound quality at a fantastic value. It's perfect for replacing factory speakers. They feature cones, a silk dome, and a mid-range tweeter. Whether building your first system or replacing some burnout factory speakers, these speakers offer clean, powerful performance that'll keep you and your friends rocking as you drive. Plus, prime speakers are a great way to get the Fosgate sound quality without destroying your bank account. The built-in crossover network further divides the frequencies, going over each driver, so all your music plays faithfully. Rubber speaker surrounds assist with the cone's linear movement, while simultaneously allowing for great exertion. The Prime Series speakers are designed with shallow mounting depth at a comprehensive frequency for a secure fitment with maximum performance in almost any vehicle. Next up, we have the Kicker CS Series CSC65. This 6.5-inch coaxial speaker is also an ideal way to upgrade your factory speaker. Its coaxials deliver great performance and ultra-clean bass, with a heavy-duty motor and magnet structure not found in stock speakers. The stamped steel framework supports a rigid cone with extended voice coil technology for the best sonic quality. Using tweeters with magnets, you get the clarity needed without interfering. These CS speakers work best with 100 watts of continuous power. These sturdy and dependable car speakers have devoted followings for a good reason. You'll get outstanding kicker quality that'll elevate your music to a starting level, revealing more detail than you ever heard from your factory speakers. You'll get good results powering these speakers with a factory radio or an aftermarket car stereo, but they'll knock your socks off once you drive them with an external amplifier. Moving forward, we got the JBL GTO 609C. JBL engineers designed the GTO 609C component speaker to produce sharp, clear sound from a head unit or amplifier which is capable of bringing 270 watts of power. This makes the GTO 609C an ideal match to systems powered with head units or factory amplifier power levels. Even better, the speaker matches many of the GTO series amplifier combinations. As a result, it can keep up with systems that feature one or more subwoofers and satisfy high-fidelity audiophile listeners. It's a high-power handling specification, which also increases reliability over the lifetime of the speaker. The Plus One's carbon-injected cone provides more overall speaker cone areas than any other cone in its class. With an effective increase on the cone area, the speaker radiates more air. Also, its carbon-injected cone material produces a lighter and stiffer cone. The result is better low-frequency response and a more exceptional ability to make those important music notes that people often associate with large speaker sizes. Up next is the Kicker 41D SC654. As if Kicker wasn't already stiff competition for any affordable car speaker, their DS series speaker once again raises the bar. In addition to providing excellent sound, these Kickers offer a thin profile that allows them to fit in more vehicles. These 6.5-inch speakers will give clarity as you've never heard before with factory speakers. The two-way design recreates a dynamic sound, which dedicates the highs to the PEI dome tweeter while sending mid-range and lows to the 6.5-inch woofer. It's highly sensitive and has hefty volume even from low-powered factory radios, so you can crank your tunes and keep it blasting the whole ride. The kit further comes with grills attached. These speakers work best with 60 watts of recommended power. And additionally, you can add a DX amplifier to increase the volume's level and quality in your ride as well. Next on this list is the Pioneer TS Series 350W. The TS-A68880F 6x8-inch 4-way speaker offers carbon and mica reinforced IMPP cones. It's a series sound design that can match the subwoofer at full range with loudspeakers that provide seamless and smooth sound characteristics with dynamic high-impact bass. It lets you hear and feel the music. The speaker also comes with the original equipment Ford and Mazda custom-fit installation adapter that optimizes fitment in suitable unique equipment speaker locations for improved acoustic performance. Its open and smooth sound concept provides a seamless and smooth transition between the mid-range and tweeter drivers. It further offers uniform off-axis frequency response, which is optimized for automotive applications where one or more speakers are usually aimed away from the listener's ears. The speaker moreover highlights Pioneer's Car Sound Fit app. It's the car sound simulator for experiencing in-sound car with your smartphone. This combined with a new magnetic circuit and long symmetrical voice coil makes both rich deep bass and low distortion very possible. Up next, we got the Kicker 43D SC504 D Series. These speakers make an excellent replacement for the worn-out factory speakers in your vehicle. In addition to providing unique sound, these Kickers incorporate a zero protrusion tweeter in a low-profile speaker that'll fit in more cars than ever. The 5¼ inch thick speaker will give you the kind of clarity that you never had with factory speakers. The two-way design recreates a dynamic sound, which dedicates the highs to the PEI dome tweeter, while sending lower frequencies to the woofer. They'll bring massive volume, even from low-powered factory radios. You can pump up the jams in confidence for years. Further, a stamped steel framework supports the ribbed, UV-treated foam surround and rigid cone with extended voice coil technology for excellent sound. Even with a factory radio, these DS speakers work best with 50 watts of recommended power. And finally, we got the JL Audio C2650. The Evolution C2 systems from JL Audio deliver sparkling high-frequency detail, smooth mid-range, and powerful mid-bass, thanks to real silk dome tweeters and long linear excursion woofer designs. The 650 features 6.5-inch component woofers with mineral-filled polypropylene cones, extended capabilities, and stamped steel frames. Its woofer design benefits from JL Audio's vast woofer design experience and advanced modeling systems. The 6.5-inch format is a direct fit in many vehicles, providing many mounting patterns on the woofer frame for easy installation in most vehicles. They can accept a 6.5-inch speaker. The C2 crossover networks are compact and built with premium parts, including Mylar capacitors, a segmented air cone inductor, as well as a tweeter protector. It also comes with woofer grills, each consisting of a black grill tray with satin silver accents and a black steel mesh grill and an electroformed JL Audio logo. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. See ya.